The Suffolk C Type is a meticulously crafted replica of the iconic Jaguar C Type, a legendary race car from the 1950s. Built by Suffolk sports cars, this recreation is designed to capture the essence and performance of the original, allowing enthusiasts to experience the thrill of the C Type without the hefty price tag of an authentic model. The Suffolk C Type is based on a donor Jaguar Mark 7, which provides a solid foundation for the build. The car features a 3.5-litre engine, which has been upgraded to deliver impressive performance. The bodywork is made from lightweight alloy, replicating the original's aerodynamic design. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the car, from the period-correct fittings and fixtures to the high-quality leather upholstery and polished aluminum interior. One of the standout features of the Suffolk C Type is its authentic appearance. Finished in classic metallic racing green with tan leather seats and period 4-point seatbelts, the car exudes the same elegance and style as the original. The alloy bodywork, with its outstanding lines, is a true work of art, and the car is equipped with period-correct details such as bullet mirrors, fly screens, and a large Le Mans polished aluminum fuel filler. The Suffolk C Type is not just a showpiece, it is a fully functional road car. It is equipped with a 4.2-litre Jaguar straight-six engine, twin SU carburetors, and a 4-speed overdrive manual gearbox. The car also features servo-assisted disc brakes and AVO shocks, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The interior is adorned with Smith's instruments, including a large speedometer and rev counter, and a 3-spoke wood-rim steering wheel. Driving the Suffolk C Type is an exhilarating experience. The car's performance is impressive, with the powerful engine and precise handling providing a thrilling drive. The attention to detail in the build ensures that every aspect of the car feels authentic, from the sound of the engine to the feel of the controls. In conclusion, the Suffolk C Type is a remarkable recreation of the iconic Jaguar C Type, offering enthusiasts the chance to own a piece of racing history. With its authentic design, high-quality craftsmanship, and impressive performance, the Suffolk C Type is a true gem for any classic car lover.